Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily change the side panel content in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the browser window. Right next to it, you'll find the side panel icon. Click on it to open the side panel. Step 3. After opening the side panel, you'll see a menu icon at the top left corner. Click on it to access the menu options for the side panel. Step 4. In the menu, you'll find a list of elements that can be displayed in the side panel. Choose the element you want to see by clicking on it. By following these 4 simple steps, you can easily change the side panel content in Chrome on your PC and have quick access to the information that matters most to you. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.